Hello everyone. I had wanted to make this frequency board so that I could play around with some different vibration patterns and have some control over it. So I had this foam cord laying around and I decided to go ahead and use this to make the frame. I would have preferred to use like an aluminum panel, but I did not have access to one of those. I cut all this foam cord to a size, and then I 3D printed these parts to allow me to attach it. And I wanted this to have a raised edge around the border so that I could put loose objects on there and hopefully prevent them from jumping all off. And I wanted to cover the bottom a little bit just as a aesthetic thing, and also to allow these blocks to reinforce the corners since this is going to be vibrating a lot. And I went ahead and sealed up all of the edges with the hot glue gun after I glued it, just to really ensure that no sand or dirt can fall over the edge. And I designed these little spring feet to allow the vibration to be dampened and to not actually rob the vibration from the panel itself. And this beeswax stuff works really well as a lubricant for these parts. It's kind of a all-natural material. And I made these snap together kind of tight, so they kind of need to be worked a little bit. Now this is the bass shaker. And this is an old model that I got. I'll go ahead and take it apart to show you how it works. You can see instead of a woofer or a cone, this has a large metal weight that it moves. So that allows it to transfer the vibration. These were mostly used in home audio gear like theater rooms, and they would have been mounted into the seating. Some people mounted them in their car to give like an enhanced audio. It's always nice to keep some screws that you have laying around. You can always build little projects with them. These are just some self-tapping screws, probably a number 4 or a number 6. So you can see now this panel is suspended. And I had this old amp. This is an old Parasound home audio amp. It's in pretty bad shape, so I'm not too concerned with blowing it up. Yeah, I'm just attaching the speaker wires to some alligator clips just to kind of ease the assembly and disassembly of this. And this is a cord that I made that's an RCA to BNC. And this is a small, a 10 signal generator. So I'm going to have this on a waveform. And you can see you can select the hertz. And this is mostly a bass shaker is going to be your 250 hertz and under. That's going to be where it's going to really shine. On the higher frequencies, it's probably not going to work real well. And you can see this basically made this whole panel a speaker. And you can see that this is a real low frequency here, and you can see it just bouncing around. I had these BBs laying around. I decided to go ahead and try these on there. This has been sitting around for like a year or so. Ideally, I wanted to get some colored sand or something like that to try to get the waveforms to show in the material. You can see as you adjust the frequency, if you get to the right frequency, you'll almost get like a trampoline effect. And you can see some geometric shapes kind of forming, and that's really the audio waveforms coming through. this is what I have so far. I'll probably try to play around with some different waveforms and maybe try some other materials on it, but let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me try with this. But thank you for watching, and if you like to see more videos about this or you have any ideas for stuff that I should make in the future, let me know. Thank you.